Good afternoon, my name is Gavin Knox, Managing Director of Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we have a Generation 15 system mounted into the rear of my wife's Holden Captiva 2013. We can see quite clearly here the system is mounted into an aluminium checker plate box. The power supply is on the back. The fittings on the front there, bulkhead fitting, connects the gas supply directly into the system. The system right now is turned off, but when it's on, when the engine's running, it turns on only when the engine's running itself. The power supply is on the back of the unit, connected via an Anderson plug. As you can see here, the Anderson plug here is a 50 amp Anderson plug. Twin core 6mm cabling connecting the unit together. The unit is plugged in, that's it. The gas supply, this is one hand. The gas supply is removed, or sorry, is added, taken to this unit, connected to the push lock fitting. The unit is switched on, and the gas from this unit is then pumped through to the underside, through to the engine intake manifold. Water goes into the recycling container and is pumped through the system. We have 3 booster cells, which are 2 cells in one, 3 Generation 15 booster cells. This is all housed in a checker plate aluminium box, all tied down with cable ties, so with metal ties, metal straps, and metal nut inserts in the base of the box, which I don't know if you can see clearly on this poor lighting. You can probably see it clearly now. At the base of the box down there, the base of these studs, you see they're mounted in position. The 3 cells are connected together and are connected and powered by this power supply mounted in a die-cast aluminium box mounted on the inside of a lid. The whole thing is lockable, and this can be connected, can be tied down to the rear of the vehicle with a strap which goes over the top of this box here, and it's tied down quite neatly into the rear of the vehicle. The gas from this comes from this piping. This is 10mm trucking air brake piping, goes under the underside of the vehicle and comes into the intake manifold. Intake manifold is here. There's my air filter. The air fuel line, this is my mass airflow sensor here, or mass airflow detector. The throttle body is located here. There's the input that pushes the gas into the engine. This car gets normally around about 13 litres per 100 kilometres. With the hydrogen on, you're getting roughly 6.5 to 7.1 litres per 100k. A very effective system, running on my wife's 2013 Holden Captiva V6 3.6 litre alloy tech. As we can see here, it is a very efficient system, producing good quantities of gas to increase the thermal efficiency and thermodynamic efficiency of the engine. I can be contacted through my email glknox11@live.com or glknox@dodo.com.au. My company webpage is http://www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Goodbye.